Hello and welcome to Property Cloud. I am Roshni and today we are going to talk about Prestige Greenbrook located on IVC Road in North Bangalore, offering premium villa plots surrounded by greenery, modern amenities and excellent connectivity. So Prestige Greenbrook gives you an opportunity to create your dream luxury home in one of the Bangalore's fastest growing corridors. So in this video we will talk about the project overview, location advantages, amenities, pricing, booking offers, and much more. So let's start with the project overview. Prestige Greenbrook is a premium plotted development by Prestige Group located on IVC Road in North Bangalore. Spread across approximately 34 acres, the project features 324 exclusive villa plots with the plot sizes ranging from around 2,200 to 5,200 square feet. The development is thoughtfully planned with lush green spaces, modern amenities, and a premium gated community environment. With spacious plots and nature-inspired surrounding, Prestige Greenbrook offers a peaceful yet well-connected lifestyle. Whether you are looking to build a customized luxury villa for your family or considering a long-term real estate investment, this project offers the flexibility to plan your space according to your lifestyle and requirement. Talking about the location and connectivity, so Prestige Greenbrook enjoys excellent connectivity to Bangalore's major destination, business hubs, and transportation network. So Kempegowda International Airport and Devanahalli Business Park are both 20 minutes away. Yelahanka is around 25 minutes away, while Hebbil can be reached in approximately 35 minutes. Manyata Tech Park is around 40 minutes away, and Bangalore City is 45 minutes away from the project. With its strategic location on IVC Road, the project offers convenient access to major employment hubs, business hubs, and airport, while still providing a peaceful environment away from the city's busy areas. Talking about the amenities and lifestyle, so Prestige Greenbrook offers a thoughtfully planned selection of amenities designed for recreation, fitness, wellness, and community living. Residents can enjoy a clubhouse, swimming pool, party lawn, jogging track, a seasonal garden, the yoga area, and reflexology pathway for fitness and relaxation. And these amenities are designed to create an active, comfortable, and community oriented lifestyle while allowing residents to enjoy plenty of green open spaces. Talking about the plot configuration and pricing, so Prestige Greenbrook offers luxury villa plots ranging from approximately 2,200 to 5,200 square feet with prices starting at around 2.20 crore rupees onwards. The spacious plot sizes give homeowners the freedom to design and build their villa according to their preference, whether that means creating larger living spaces, private garden, or customized outdoor areas. The premium gated community setting, green surrounding, and flexibility to design your own home also make these plots an attractive option for long-term buyers and investors. Prestige Greenbrook follows a 25-75 payment structure. Around 10% is payable at the time of booking, another 15% is payable within 90 days, and the remaining 75% is payable upon intimation of possession. So the expected possession for this project is March 2027. So Prestige Greenbrook offers a premium villa plot living experience with spacious plot options, modern lifestyle amenities, peaceful green surrounding, and excellent connectivity in North Bangalore. With the trusted legacy of Prestige Group and the growing potential of the IVC Road corridor, this project can be an attractive choice for those looking to build their dream luxury home or make a long-term real estate investment. For brochure, latest pricing, detailed payment plan, or to schedule a site visit, you can check the link provided in the description. And if you enjoy such premium property videos, then don't forget to subscribe to Property Cloud. Property Cloud is a PropTech company which directly connects you with the developers for simplifying your home buying process. It also gives you benefits like spot discount, zero brokerage, free pickup and drop services, and much more.